I love wooden lawn furniture. Plastic furniture might require less maintenance, but it's hard to beat the natural beauty of wood. But wood has one disadvantage, and it's down here where the leg sits on the ground. The end grain of the wood acts like a sponge and sucks up moisture, and that can cause all kinds of problems, from blistered paint and water staining to wood rot eventually, even if you're using pressure-treated wood. So here's the solution. Use epoxy to seal the bottom of each leg. Buy an epoxy syringe, such as this, that mixes the two parts as it comes out. You just squeeze it out. The epoxy will come right out through. You can see it mixing in the tip. And you squeeze it right onto the leg. You don't need that much, just enough to coat the entire bottom of the leg. Then take a putty knife and smooth it out. You want to wipe it all off, obviously. You just want to, there you go, just like that. Then you can wipe off the excess with a rag. And now if you do that to the bottom, seal the bottom of each leg, this lawn furniture will last a whole lot longer.